Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Um, and as you read by the title, I am doing a top knot bun, or my version of a top knot bun. And I am starting off with freshly washed, conditioned hair, all that good stuff. Now, you see me taking out edges because I was trying, or I attempted to do the dramatic edges because I love the way that looks with these type of buns, but you'll see further down in the video that the shit was a fucking epic fail. But anyways, I'm just gonna section off my hair because when I do my buns, especially when I want them to last for a few days, I do like to work in sections. I don't know, I just feel like the results are much better. And as you can see, I'm wetting my hair with some water and I'm brushing it to get it flat and all that good stuff. And I did dye my hair black, so that's why my hair is looking extra popping right now. My curls are looking extra popping right now. That's why. But yeah, I'm just gonna brush my hair into a ponytail section by section until everything is in a ponytail. And as you can see in the video, I'm not brushing my hair too much, pretty much just like the perimeter, because I really didn't want to disrupt my curls as much as possible. I wanted to limit the manipulation on them as much as possible. So I'm just gonna do and brush the perimeter of my hair just to make sure it looks flat and not brush like all throughout my hair. So that way our curls stay popping, you know what I'm saying? And I just wanted to pause because my ponytail was bomb as fuck, okay? Now I'm just going ahead and wrapping my hair into a bun. And what you see me doing is the same thing that I'm gonna do when I add the weave to my hair. You just want to wrap it around, and to you like the way it looks pretty much. Now y'all, this is some crochet that I'm using for my bun. um I liked it because when I do my twist outs, it kind of reminded me of that as far as the texture. So that's what I'm using. I'm just gonna wrap a ponytail around the hair, separate it, make it a little bit more frizzy so it can look a little bit more realistic. And then I'm gonna add that to my ponytail and wrap that hair around my bun. Now you definitely want to manipulate the hair until you get your bun exactly how you want it. And as y'all can see, it was taller than that, but I feel like I looked weird, like a fucking doorknob with that. With it so big, so I smushed it just a bit. Now here I am, attempting to do some dramatic some dramatic edges, and that shit just wasn't cooperating. So I just ended up combing all that back and just saying fuck it, pretty much. Alright, and now I'm adding some freeze spray just to give it a bit more hold before I put my scarf on, which I did leave on for about an hour or so, um, before I did my big reveal, which actually looks exactly how it looks now, but you know, we gotta be extra or whatever. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is pretty much it for the final look. If you like the way it turned out, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.